This salmon ball is one of those meals that makes healthy eating feels easy. It's packed with protein, colorful veggies, healthy fats, and it is as delicious as it looks. Whenever I want a meal that feels nourishing but doesn't take much effort, this is what I go for. Everything cooks at the same time, which means there's very little hands-on work. Most of the work is the prep. While the vegetables and chickpeas roast in the air fryer, the salmon cooks in just a few minutes, about 4 to 5 minutes. The sweet potato is the one that takes the longest to roast, and that's only about 20 minutes, making this a perfect quick weeknight meal. To bring this dish together, I make a simple and quick creamy tahini dressing. It only takes a minute to make, but it ties the whole bowl together so deliciously. If you've been around for a while, you must have noticed that I love building bowls like this because every ingredient brings something different, not only nutrition-wise, but also flavor-wise. This dish is colorful, balanced, and packed with protein. This meal really reminds me that healthy food doesn't have to be boring. Doesn't it look so cute? Like you could have ordered from a restaurant? I really hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I will see you next week.